Do you struggle with styling your type 4 hair? Stay tuned because today we are diving into tips and techniques for you.
I'll be on it always.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of type 4 hair. I'm honestly not sure what type of type 4 hair I have. That's why I just categorize it as type 4, because we got A, we got B, we got C, and we got heat damage. We'll be exploring how to style and embrace your natural hair with confidence. And of course, here are the chapters if you want to skip on ahead. Let's get started. Type 4 hair is very unique, but beautiful. But it comes with its own set of challenges, such as shrinkage, example 1. Dryness and defining those curls can be sometimes quite difficult. We all know the frustration of putting in effort only to have the style frizz up and fall flat. But do not worry, we got a solution. Let's break down these challenges. Shrinkage. This is when your hair appears shorter than it actually is. It is completely normal, but can be quite frustrating. You would not know. Then my hair goes down to my mid-back because of the shrinkage. Dryness. Type 4 hair tends to be drier because the natural hair oils on the scalp have a harder time traveling down the curl. And finally, curl definition. Getting those curls to pop can be a real struggle. Now let's explore some amazing styling techniques perfect for type 4 hair. Twist outs. Twist small sections of your hair while damp. Let them dry and unravel for defined curls. Braid-Outs. Braid your hair into sections and take them out once dry for a beautiful crimped look. Wash and go. Apply a leave-in conditioner and a curl defining gel to wet hair and let it air dry for a natural look. Here are some products that work wonderful for type 4 hair. Here are a few leave-in conditioners. This is the one that I personally use. Curl defining gels and creams. Here are a few, but here are the ones that I personally use. Oils and moisturizers. Here are a few, but here's the one that I personally use. So now that your hair is all moisturized, I'm going to show you a few hairstyles that you can do to feel more confident about your hair. Just look at the versatility and beauty of type 4 hair. Whether you prefer a twist out, braid out, or wash and go, the possibilities are endless. With the right products and methods, you can achieve any look you desire. Remember, the key to having amazing type 4 hair is embracing your natural texture and having fun and experimenting with different hairstyles. You've got this. Now it's your turn. Try these styling techniques and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more hair care tips and tutorials. See you next time.